And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any video. Anele Tembe's father Moses Tembe says last month was the most difficult time of his life after the death of his daughter who allegedly jumped to her death at Cape Town Hotel's 10th floor. Anele's father commented yesterday after his late daughter's fiancé aka broke his silence in a statement issued over the past weekend denying being investigated by the police in connection with Anele's death. Moses said he had decided not to get involved in the ongoing investigation and legal issues. He went on to say, as a father and a traditionalist, I would refrain from getting involved in issues of a boyfriend and a girlfriend who were not yet married, but I know there were many issues between them, but most of those Anele shared with her sisters. AKA's statement, which he posted on Instagram, came after reports by a publication which shared disturbing images where AKA is seen breaking down a wooden door to enter the room where Anele was. The incident took place in March 13th. In his statement, AKA said there were people who he trusted with their relationship issues that were now being used as a weapon against him.